Oh, ooh. Oh yeah, that's the stuff right there. Oh yeah, sitting down. And that right there is the Chan Wangun, Chan Il Sanctum. Woo! Holy moly. I'm so tired of being fat. I'm tired. Tired. Time to lose some weight. Oh man. I'm telling you. It's so hard being overweight. Oh my god. It's taking a toll on my body. So I gotta make more effort to lose weight. Lose weight. Oh my god. 230 pounds. I gotta go down to at least 200. 190 is ideal. I remember when I weighed 190. That was a beautiful feeling. Oh god. Oh yeah. So we just got done going around the Gapyeong Begonia Bird Park. And let me tell you, it was phenomenal. It was absolutely phenomenal and majestic. All that. All that. Oh. And apparently, we're going to go all the way up there to True Father's burial site. And it actually snowed the last couple days, couple nights. So it's gonna be cold up there, but it's gonna be a good place to pray with utmost sincerity. Because we all know that only utmost sincerity moves heaven. Amen. Aju. And I'm just trying to take some good energy with me back to California, America, United States of America. And, oh man, let's give credit where credit is due. True Mother, Holy Mother Han, has done extraordinary, there's not even the word for what she's accomplished throughout her lifetime, along with True Father, the true parents of heaven, earth, and all humankind. Amen. Aju.